पता नहीं ये कुक बुक्स भी ना सीधी सादी रेसिपीज को इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों बना देती हैं। 1 टीस्पून इसका, 1 कप उसका, मालूम नहीं जैसे कोई फैंसी चीज बना रहे हो। हाउ कंफ्यूजिंग। पर जब आपको बेसिक्स मालूम हो, आप अपने अंदाज से बना सकते हो। यू कैन मिक्स एंड मैच, experiment and make an awesome dish. And it's not just cooking. A lot of simple things are made complicated just like that. Like investing. Every day you read about GDP or CPI or some other 3-letter word going up and down. You follow business channels with those red and green numbers scrolling at the bottom of the screen. Why? Things in finance look confusing because there's no one right way of investing. Everybody has a different opinion. हर रेसिपी के कई तरीके होते हैं. All we need to do is learn the basic recipe. How do I know? Because I've done it. Hi, I'm Hansi. I've worked in finance for 20 years and quit before 40. And I can tell you, investing is actually very simple. Like you can divide your money up in line with your short, medium, and long-term goals, and that's it. Just like in cooking. The most important ingredient is you. Knowing your own nature, being disciplined, and staying invested for the long term. Not easy, but actually quite simple. By the way, Warren Buffett, the world's richest investor, says the same thing. So next time somebody makes things complicated for you, just ask them this. इसका सिंपल रेसिपी क्या है? Be money confident.
म्यूचुअल फंड्स निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से संबंधित सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.